Hi guys, today we are doing a taste test where we've got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 cups and we're going to pick one and then drink it and then we're going to guess what it is like. It could be milk, it could be juice, you never know.
Or it could be water.
Yeah, it could be water. So you don't know. So yeah, rock, paper, scissors, who goes first?
Me.
Rock, paper, scissors,
Yes,
shoot. Okay, you got me. Yeah. Are you going to pick your first cup? Okay. Show them what cup you're picking. It's orange. They all have 2 ices in. What do you think it is?
Juice.
Juice. What flavour juice do you think it is?
Raspberry.
Right. I'm going to go and see. It is summer fruits. So close. Oh yeah, it does taste like raspberry, doesn't it? No. Okay, now I go. I'm going to pick this purple one.
That's actually blue or purple.
It's purple. I think this is water. Let's see. Wait. Oh, yeah, it's water.
And that one's yours, water one.
No. You can pick different ones. I can pick one of them.
Or I could pick one of them, and I can pick one of them.
Yeah, you can pick another.
Different.
So that was round one.
them ones.
Put round one over there. Right, next cup. You'll go. You can pick a cup.
This one.
Okay. Let's put that over there. Pick one then.
I already picked that one.
Forget it then. Drink it.
Okay.
What do you think it is? Can I have a taste?
Water. I think it's water.
No, it's not water. It is juice. I don't know what juice it is though. Let me taste it. It's like raspberry. Yeah, it's raspberry. I just realised. Right, I'll put that over there. I'm gonna try this one.
That one's mine and that one's mine.
No, they're not. I can get one of yours.
Well, I can get one of yours.
Don't matter. No, yeah, Florence, no. So my go.
Can't pick that one.
I won't. But let go of it. Because it's not your go yet.
No, I can hold it.
Come on.
I can hold it if I want.
That tastes like
You can have
blackcurrant.
that one because I already got this one. Okay.
It tastes like blackcurrant. Let's see. No. It's what's it called? It wasn't blackcurrant. I got it wrong. It was slush pulp raspberry flavor melted. Okay, you'll go.
Okay, I'm going to pick this one.
What do you think it is?
Water.
Let me see. It tastes like water, yeah. You got it right on the list. Okay, put it to the side. I'm going to pick this nice green one. I've not done a green one yet.
I haven't. Save that one for me because you already got a read.
Oh my god, what? I might not save it for you. I might not.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
You still got gold, haven't you?
Oh my gosh, it's milk. Yeah, I was going to guess milk. I don't care. Okay, right, you can pick that one. What is it?
I guess. What do
What do you think?
Water.
Florence keeps getting water. I forgot to say at the start of the video, there's lots of waters and only a few juices and a milk. One milk, lots of waters and only a juice. And then a juices, so you've got to be water. And this one's water as well.
So,
Okay. Taste my one. I'll taste it all. I'm going to put all the ice cubes in one drink. Okay, now we're going to say which one was favourite drink. Which drink did you like the best? I think you liked water best, didn't you? Did you like the water the best?
I like the juice best.
Oh, I like water the best. And juice. I don't know which one.
I think I'm gonna
I probably like
Pour
the
the
summer
ice
fruits
in.
juice first.
yours.
This one's yours anyway.
Okay.
Because we're having 4 each. I'll have 2 purples and 2 greens, and you'll have 10 purple. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. See you soon. Bye. Bye. Mini cups. So, sorry.